Experiments with water is our new chapter. So we will start this lesson by doing very small experiments on water. So first of all we will know what are the properties of water. Now dear children, you can see in this glass that this glass is holding pure water. Can anybody tell me what is the color of the water? No. We cannot tell from this glass, we cannot say the exact color of water because water has no color. So now we will do one small activity that I will show that how water changes its color when we add any color into it. Now you can see here I have mixed one color into it. Can you see children? The water which was first colorless, when I mixed it with in a green color, so it has changed its color. Likewise, again when we will add some different color on different glass, so again this water is also changing its color. Now this water, the pure water which has no color, it is changed into red color. So the one of the properties of water is that it is colorless. Now when we drink water, can you tell me what is the taste of water when you drink pure water? No, there is no specific taste of water. So the property, one of the properties of water is that the water is tasteless. Suppose if I add some half teaspoon of sugar, if we will add this and if we will stir this, and when you will taste this water in which I have added sugar, so this water it will turn into which taste? What is the taste of sugar? Yes, the taste of sugar is sweet. So when you will drink this water, so its taste will be sweet. But when we will drink pure water, so it is tasteless. So what is the second property of water? It is tasteless. So again you can see the third property of water, that when we try to smell water, there is no specific smell coming from the pure water. So again water is odorless. We can add any flavor to water. Do you know this vanilla essence? Okay, this essence, it is used in cakes also. So if when I will take the smell of this pure water, so no smell will come. Okay, but when I will add few drops of this essence into this water, and when suppose then I will smell this water, so it will get that particular odor. Odor means smell. So water is again odorless. We can see rose water. When we take the smell of rose water, then we can feel the essence of rose. Okay, why? Because in that water the rose essence is mixed. So the third property of water is what? Odorless. Odorless means smellless. It has no smell. Now you see what I am doing here. This is a glass of water. Now this water, when I am pouring this into a bowl, so what happened? But now when I pour the same water into a bowl, so the water has changed its shape. Likewise, when I will pour this water, so again see, you can see the difference. Now the water has changed its shape. Okay, so in our home also we can our mother is holding water in different utensils. Okay, so the water is taking the shape of that particular utensil. So from this what we can infer that water has no shape. Okay children, so one of the properties of water is it has no shape. Once again we will revise. Water is colorless, and you can see this glass, it is filled with water but it has no color. Okay, then next is water is shapeless. We can see the water is water is carrying the shape of that particular utensil, so it is shapeless. Then again when we will taste pure water, so we cannot specify that water into a particular taste because it is tasteless. So when we add any of our what we can say sugar or salt, so that water will take its taste. Means when we will add sugar, so that water will become sweet. When we will add salt, so that water will become salty. Likewise, whatever things we are adding into it, that water will take that flavor. Okay, then the fourth one is that water has no odor, means water is odorless. I have added this vanilla in this water. So when before adding vanilla, when I will smell this water, so it will not, there will be no smell. But after adding this vanilla essence, when I will take the smell of this water, so that water will change into a vanilla flavor. That's all. So this activity you all have to do at your home, and by this small experiment we have learned the different properties of water. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.